Starting a business can be an exciting but overwhelming time. Trust me, I've been in your shoes. Since I was 14 years old, I've started businesses in painting, lawn mowing, office products, financial planning, videography, and now a top-rated and highly sought-after marketing agency. So I completely understand all the challenges and stresses that come along with being an entrepreneur and a new business owner. One of the biggest struggles you might have as a new business owner is you wear a lot of hats. You have to juggle your finances, scheduling, sales, networking, and then on top of all that, there's marketing. The one thing that often gets pushed to the side and even forgotten. And when you realize that, you begin to hurry and you make mistakes and you discover all the dollars that you're throwing at marketing isn't even working. It can get quite frustrating and expensive. At Paragon Marketing Group, we want to take all those marketing concerns off your plate so you can focus on what you are doing and what you do best, and that's starting and growing your business. We've developed detailed startup programs for newly formed businesses that can alleviate all the things you need to do to get your company out there and customers flowing to your new venture. We love working with small businesses because your success is our success. Our programs are easy to understand and super simple to start. So whether you're a business owner starting on Main Street America, your living room, your backyard, we have a program that will work for you. We even offer financing programs so you can use your dollars wisely and not deviate from or destroy your budget. We know you're excited about your new business and we're excited for you, so get in touch with us right now to get headed in the right direction. There's no obligation to talk with us and see how our programs can help your business get on top of your prospects' minds and start generating some real sales. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain, but waiting, that one will cost you in the long run. Trust me, it happened to me, it's happened to others. Don't let it happen to you.